guys take a look because we have an awesome video today. We're doing a product review for Poppy's Patina, and we're gonna take Morticia and we are gonna enhance the way that Morticia looks with this Poppy's Patina. So check this out. We're gonna walk through the process and how to use this product. Well, this is gonna be an interesting test because the wheel's locked up again. I don't know why these wheels keep locking up on me. We're gonna do the application in the garage. I'm gonna figure this out. Obviously for you, it'll probably be even easier because you'll just wash your car in the driveway. But either way, I think this will work out great. I'll show you what we're gonna do. First off, we're gonna move the front over a little bit to give us room on this side. And of course, we're gonna have to remove the headlights because we don't wanna mess those up, which we got from Turlo's Garage. Awesome dude, great channel. Make sure to check out Turlo's Garage. All right, so we got Silverback Garage with us. Check it out. So Sosa, Silverback Garage is gonna help us. And again, we're starting with the prep piece. We're going to wash Morticia, get the surface really clean, make sure there's no debris, right?
That's exactly right. Wearing jackets today because it's cold in Arizona. Don't laugh.
Yeah, that's right.
This Iman out here, Bryce has helped me out a lot, so I was like, oh, at least I could do is come in, put water on a cloth. You know, that sounds easy. But I'm gonna let the experts talk now.
Thank you, Simon. You know, and we're going to try this method because we're talking about, should we use paint? Should we try this cover for the patina? And you know what? And we decided it fits the car. As long as it fits the car, no one method is for every car. So far, when we put the water on this kind of looks really neat when it kind of gets a shine. So I'm excited about that. I think everybody's excited about that. So what we're doing now, though, we scrubbed the whole car. So what we're doing now is we had a whole bucket full of clear water going over with the cloth, trying to pick up all of the dirt as much as we can, rinse it in the clear, pick up more dirt, rinse it in the clear. And then when we finish all of the car, we're going to grab some towels to dry it. And as long as we rinse and repeat until our drying towels come up clean, and then we'll be ready for the mix.
And
Sir.
sorry, the Scotch Brite too.
Yeah, the Scotch Brite initially is what we did. We went with the Scotch Brite and we hit every part of it. And now we're gonna take everything that Scotch Brite loosened up and we're gonna put it into our water and get it clean. So that's the plan of action.
I love it, Sosa! Silverback Garage, baby!
And we have help. That's beautiful.
I know.
Yeah, good job, Simon.
Hey, not a problem, not a problem.
Next, we'll be back on the Buick.
Oh yeah, man.
Yeah, and Simon, did I tell you the last guy that shows is supposed to bring donuts?
Oh,
That's
Did you know
right,
that?
that's
Did you
right.
not know that?
Next time I got you.
Yeah.
Good man.
Making good progress. What do you think, Silverback?
I think this is right for this car. It's going to be great.
Nice, I love it. Iman, what do you think?
Hey man, Silverback saying that I agree, right? Shoot. Can't wait to see it though. It's gonna have a nice little shine.
Yeah, I think so. So we're just getting it all clean as possible. And yeah, it's coming right along.
And it'll come up and...
So, Silverback Garage, what are we doing now?
Okay, we're doing some final checks to make sure all the water is dry. We found some in the seam where the windshield comes to the back deck. So we're walking around. We'll make sure that is done right. So our end product. Then we have some mixing cups out there, and we're going to mix it. I have 4 cups. I'm going to put equal amount of our hardener and then equal amounts of this. And we have 2 hours. That's a lot of time.
Yeah.
We'll have 2 hours to wipe it on and then get that great shine we expect.
Nice.
Okay.
Okay, we are down to the application. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna use our cups here, and we're gonna mix a 4-to-1 with this. So we're gonna divide this by the 4 cups. Then we're gonna finish it up by dividing this into these 4 cups and stir them. And while we're gonna stir 1 cup, we designated Bryce to be the application because he's tall, long arms, he's the right person to apply. So I'm just gonna follow him, mixing, giving him the cups. As soon as one runs out, I'm gonna mix the other. So, wish us luck. No ping pongs involved in this. Wire or something.
Oh, to grab at it?
Yeah. Oh wait, no, this one. See if
Oh,
it'll flip
screws?
over. Yeah, this one flipped over. It had the little.
Oh, gotcha. Okay, yeah.
Got it. So.
There we go.
Kind of nerve-wracking. How do you know when it's mixed? Can you tell the difference?
Yeah.
Stiffens up a bit.
Yeah. Okay.
All right.
Remember, we have 4 cups. So
Okay.
divide the car up like 1, 2, 3, or
Okay.
yeah. We have 4 cups.
All right. I'm gonna try and do a
There you go.
easy wiping motion.
What do you think of it?
Okay. So far, really easy.
There you go.
Just want to get it nice and even.
Yeah. Don't go over. Don't go
Don't go over it
again.
twice?
Yeah.
I
You can
missed
put a
it.
little overlap, but
Yeah. Okay. So I need to be careful with that because I think I started the wrong spot originally. Okay, so I'm gonna start the.
we learn, man. So.
Okay. Ah! I don't know how we're gonna be able to.
Okay.
Whew. Okay. I'm ready for another cup.
Okay.
Oh, sorry about that. That makes sense.
But
Well, I'll say this: you're definitely covering it, though. This is the top of the.
top of that side.
Yeah, that's it.
Okay. I was missing the side here too.
See, y'all did cover the entire car now after that window.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We got some drips here.
Yeah.
So it's you want to pretty much apply it pretty thoroughly through, where it's no shine.
Yeah. I think.
Nails are shiny.
Yeah.
Yeah, but it's already drying.
Yeah.
Is it? Right, it was a mad dash to the finish. We got it done. We picked the right person to apply it. Take a look for yourself. I like the look. It fits the car.
I think it turned out pretty good. So if you guys want to get this product, again, it's Poppy's Patina. And again, huge thank you to Poppy's Patina for letting us review this product. And yeah, boom. If you have any questions, leave them. We can forward any feedback you guys have as well. What do you guys think? Pretty awesome. Poppy's Patina for the win. I gotta say, I think it looks killer. Morticia looks like $1 million. Could go for a second coat potentially, but yeah, no, I think it turned out great. Boom, baby. Thank you guys for watching, and huge thank you to Poppy's Patina. If you want to get some Poppy's Patina for yourself, I'll include the link. Boom, baby. Morticia is looking so awesome. Once the patina, Poppy's Patina dries, we will put the bumpers and the lights back on. But I think this is a huge win. I mean, look at that. just looks amazing. And she's going to look even better once we put everything back on. But huge thanks to Poppy's Patina. Boom, baby.